Frost Mage Ultimate Blizzard Channel Animation Process. Phase 1. Keyframing main action poses. Adding the head raise animation to show personality of the character in the animation. Phase 2. Starting animating the whole body movements and syncing them. Animating the character raising and spinning to show empowerment. Phase 3. Starting animating the actual attack movements. Tip: always have the body parts follow the main force of the motion. Phase 4. Starting animating the second hand movements. Phase 5. Ending the animation with the character returning to its main pose. Adding final polishing movements like the hand's weight. Animating the clothes' weight as a final touch to the animation. Done. Done. Thanks for watching. Like and follow if you found this video useful in any way.